if you've never been to Weihai, you're missing out on so much. Situated at the 37th parallel north, this coastal city radiates a unique charm that's all its own. Spend a day here, and you'll see why it's so special. Your day begins in Torch 8th Street, the perfect place to immerse yourself in the city's artistic vibe. The charming streets, with the endless ocean stretching before you, make it a must-visit for any traveler. It's the perfect spot for photos. From Torch 8th Street, head to Weihai International Beach, where you can enjoy the relaxing rhythm of the waves and the sandy shores. Lay back under the sun, letting the cool sea breeze wash over you pure bliss. Next, hop on a bike and take a leisurely ride along the scenic coastal road. Feel the fresh air as you cruise between the mountains and the sea. Every moment here is filled with a sense of freedom and tranquility. For lunch, make your way to a local BBQ restaurant where you can enjoy delicious grilled meats, spicy tteokbokki, and other authentic Korean dishes. After lunch, head to Weihai Park, home to the famous Weihai window frame. This photo hotspot lets you frame the ocean and snap the perfect picture that's sure to get tons of likes on social media. As the evening sets in, make your way to the Blueways Shipwreck. This abandoned shipwreck, set against a backdrop of the setting sun, has an eerie yet breathtaking beauty. The seagulls soaring above add to the dramatic feel. It's like something straight out of a movie. Finally, end your day at Hanlefang Night Market, where you can sample Weihai's delicious street food. From braised dishes to Russian sweet cakes, you'll find a mix of local flavors and international favorites to satisfy your cravings. A day in Weihai will leave you with unforgettable memories for sure.